Hello! I'm super excited about an upcoming workshop in Hamburg, Germany, between the 13th and the 15th of June. If you want to get to know more about the masks of Commedia dell'arte and their physicality, you can join us. So you're gonna meet Zanni, my friend Arlecchino, the old stingy pantalone, and the Capitan. Yes, you don't want to miss that one. We're gonna have loads of fun. We are gonna work with the masks of Commedia, their physicality, their status, their relationship, not only from a physical perspective, but also the importance of the voice. And we're gonna work a lot with sounds and how to create it in invented language, taking inspiration from dialect, accents, from the real world around you. We will explore the relationship with the audience. The fourth wall doesn't exist in Commedia dell'arte, so you're going to work directly with your audience. It's going to be another fantastic experience, one where we can really go deeper into the creative aspects of Commedia dell'arte and all the comic devices that you can learn from Commedia and then apply to many other forms of performance. Comic timing, the use of tempo rhythm, repetition, motifs, basically the foundation of physical comedy and comedy in general. I'm super excited. Book your space, there are only 5 spaces left. I look forward to seeing you there. Bye!